How to scrape websites automatically with n8n. To do that first, start a scratch or a blank template or workflow. I have in here this. Let's add in here the first step, which is manual trigger. So let's search in here the trigger manually. And then after that, you can click onto this right here in order to open it. Now, what we need to do is we need to open in here the scraping bee. Just sign up for an account if you don't have yet and then copy the API key provided to you. I'll head over and copy mine. Once you have copied it, next thing you need to do is you just need to add right here a specific HTTP request. Onto our actual workflow, head over and add right here a new action. Let's choose right here HTTP request and search for that right here. Here it is, so make sure to click on this. Now, it will open this option. What we can do right here is just need to input the basic settings, which is get, and for the URL, let's proceed to add the URL of scraping B. And then for the authentication, choose none, turn on the send query parameters, and then use the fields below. Then add the parameter for this, which is for the name, API key, then add the value of your API key right here. From in there, add another parameter. So for the parameter, let's input right here URL. And for the value, input right here the actual URL that we have right there. Just input the actual URL of the website that you want to scrape. So it can be the Scraping Bee blog, or it can be a competitor's blog that you want to use. For example, let's choose right here YouTube's blog. And then once you have added that, you can proceed to actually just save this or add another parameter. For the third parameter, we have AI query. And for the value, just extract the main H1 heading. So click on this add parameter next, and then add the parameter 4, which is the extract rules. For the value, add the value that I will show you right here. Here it is. And it should be set up just like this. Just save it all together and get back to your canvas. Once it's been added, next thing you need to do is to just go over and add a code node. Just click on this plus icon, search in here for code, and then proceed to click onto this code right here. Now in there, we need to choose the JavaScript one, and then just copy this code that I will show you on the screen. Here's the code, screenshot and copy it. Then head over and input it right here. Now, once you have added that code, head over and then save this step and get back to your canvas. Now, just add another or the second HTTP request mode for this one. So to do it, add another HTTP, search for HTTP right here, and then from in there, just configure the spider node. So for this, just choose get, and for the URL, input right here this, then query parameters, and then copy the actual parameters that we have earlier again. Now, once you have added everything, you can just test if it actually works all together. So just head over and execute the workflow. But that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.